Ready for some more off-body tricks? In this video, we will add a few more moves to your arsenal. The smear, let me show you. The sparkle. And the whoosh. We need to keep our principles in mind as always. The importance of the thumb, our hoop planes and body alignment. Let's get started with smears. So for a smear, first hold the hoop behind you. It should be vertically straight. You will have your hands right at 180 degrees from each other, right? So next to this shoulder and next to this shoulder. Hold it right here, keep it straight. Make sure you're not able to see your hoop in front. If you're able to see, adjust your posture. Hoop should be right behind your head, right? So maintain that posture, keep some good distance between your legs. You should be nicely grounded. Hold this position and from here, right hand will come down. And when you bring your right hand down, your left hand will go up. All you have to do is then go, touching the hoop to the side. You see this contact point? Ensure that you have got that and then go back to the side and in front, right? So starting from the back, we are going all around, right? So take the hoop down, left, back and right, down, left, back and right, down, left, back and right. This is when you're smearing from the right side. The same thing can be done from left side. Let me show you how. From here, thumb is facing upwards and you're just going down. Hoops touching your body. It's still touching on the side. It's still touching at the back. Still touching on the side and coming back in front. Basically, it's nothing but you're taking your hoop all around you. This is the movement, but we are doing this movement closer to the body, ensuring that the hoop is touching you on your body. And if you just add a body movement, it looks magical. Let me show you. Amazing, right? That's how you do smears. Now let's move on to sparkles. To begin with, take the hoop in the center. Make sure the hoop is not touching you and you're right in the center of your hoop. Your hands should go next to the thighs and hold it right here because this is very important. Sparkle is a very simple move. So make sure that your plane is good. You should not be holding the hoop facing down like this or up like this, right at a horizontal plane. Don't lift your elbows also. Drop your elbows down and stand comfortably. Roll your shoulders back, look up and start turning from the left side of your body. So breathe in, breathe out, beautiful. Hold the hoop from the side, turn from the left side. Watch my legs as well. Turn, 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 turn. So this is the turning position of the leg. Now once you've learned that, once you're comfortable with this, don't take your legs too far, okay? Keep it close and turn, 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 turn. While you're doing this, all you have to do is just raise your hand. Simple, isn't it? Let's do it together. So, maintaining a good body posture, rolling the shoulders back, holding the hoop from the side. Let's start turning. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then you can pause. And same thing can be repeated by going back in reverse. So from here, you're going to bring your hand down and turn back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the sparkle. Isn't that amazing? That trick is called whoosh. I have named that trick. Let me break down the steps for you. Hold the hoop to the side, hands extended, no bending of the elbow, and you're going to hold the hoop at the 3 o'clock of the hoop. So if you imagine the hoop to be a clock, and if you know how to read time, you would know this. This is 12, this is 3, this is 6, this is 9. So you're going to hold the hoop at 3 o'clock, thumb facing upwards. Then you're going to take your hands all around with an extended hand towards the other side of your body. Once your thumb is facing up, something very simple happens here. You're just going to twist your thumb to face downwards and then you're going to take your hand closer to your ear behind your head and bring it in front. In fast motion, it looks like this, right? And it makes a really amazing whoosh sounds from the left. That's why I call it whoosh. As you can see, our moves can get really diverse. You can almost do anything with our hoop once you understand how it works. See you in the next video.